Let's talk relatives, the wonderful world of relative pronouns. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our comprehensive grammar journey. Today we're going to dive deeper into the world of pronouns, specifically, the magic of relative pronouns. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what relative pronouns are and how to use them correctly in sentences. So, let's get started. Before we move on to our list of relative pronouns, it's essential to understand what they are. Relative pronouns are a type of pronoun that introduces a relative clause. They are relative because they relate to the word that they modify. In English, the primary relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. Now, let's discuss each relative pronoun in detail. 1. Who. This pronoun is used for people. For example, the woman who works in the bakery is my aunt. 2. Whom. This is the objective case of who and is used when referring to the object of a verb or preposition. For example, the man to whom I gave the book is my professor. 3. Whose. This pronoun is used to indicate possession. For example, the girl whose cat is missing is my neighbor. 4. Which. This pronoun is used for things or animals. For example, the car which is parked outside is mine. 5. That. This pronoun can be used for people, things, or animals, and it's usually used in restrictive clauses. For example, the book that is on the table is mine. There are a few other words that can function as relative pronouns in certain contexts, specifically when, where, and why. 1. When. This pronoun is used in relation to time. For example, I remember the year when I got my first job. 2. Where. This pronoun is used in relation to place. For example, this is the place where we first met. 3. Why. This pronoun is used in relation to a reason. For example, the reason why I am late is that my car broke down. And that wraps up our discussion on relative pronouns. With a good understanding of who, whom, whose, which, that, when, where, and why, you can construct more complex and nuanced sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. So make sure to put these pronouns into practice in your daily English writing and conversation. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next one.